So hey guys, welcome to Ellen to the Motivated News channel, and today also I am not going to motivate you but tell you something about a very nice reports and the news headlines also. And my today's report will be totally based on the e-rupee that has invented by the NPCI currently, and how e-rupee works, and what is the meaning of the e-rupee, and also I will tell you about the Olympics, who got the how much money, and also today I will speak in Hindi, and मैं आपको हिंदी में भी समझाऊंगा. So let's start. Firstly, I will tell you about the e-rupee. It is not anything new, but it has been co-invented. Means the UPI. Previous time the UPI it has been co-invented by the NPCI. Means it has added the E plus R, means e-rupee. So here what will happen that NPCI has made that, means the full form of the NPCI is the National Payment Corporation of India. So next I will also tell you that the UPI was invented in the April month of the 2016, and the e-rupee has been currently the UPI has been co-invented currently in the 2 August in the form of the e-rupee. So and also what will happen that this time the people will not get the money by the government. Means previous time what happens that the people got something for buying some clothes or some for some blankets that the government want to give. So this time they will get a QR code, means a quick response code. Means if you will scan it, so it will be quick response, means it will work very quickly. And in the buttons mobile, at the previous mobile which was very small, so at that mobile the SMS will come, not the QR code, means a quick response. This time the small messaging service will come at the button mobile, and previous time the people used to give the money to the peoples, not they were giving the things. So what happened that if the government is giving 100 rupees, so to the farmer or a poor person, only the 55 rupees is going there. And this time also in the corona period, the mask was of the 20 rupees, means they will have to sell the mask of the 20 rupees to the public. But what happened that the corporations only sold the mask free of the 5 rupees, that was of the 5 rupees, not at the 10 rupees. And this time also if you want to give the something, so you don't want to give anything, you have to only say to the NPCI, please issue one QR code. So NPCI will make the three QR code. In the next page I will explain. So let's start. So in the next page, as you can see that the 3 QR code will be generated. One will be given to the person, means the person used just like a farmer, so he will get it for the uranium or whatever the खाद they want. And जो person है उनको जो भी खाद चाहिए जैसे यूरेनियम या जो भी, तो वो 3 QR कोड इश्यू होंगे. पहला जो पर्सन को मिलेगा, दूसरा NPCI खुद रखेगी कि अगर बाद में कोई लफड़ा होता है तो वो खुद हैंडल भी कर सके, कि हाँ इतने का है. और उसमें ये लिमिट नहीं है कि वो कितने का रहेगा, वो बहुत कितने का भी हम बना सकते हैं लिमिट. और जैसे कि if the farmer don't want to spend the 2000 rupees in buying the खाद, so he will go to at the other shops of the wine, so wherever he will scan, so it will not be verified, it will be said invalid, because it has only given to the shops of the खाद to all over the India. Means only the shops of the खाद will get this, will be able to scan this. So in the next also I want to explain you more. Just like a doctor prescribed a patient that you have to buy this medicine, so the government sent the 2000 rupees in the form of the QR code. So he would think that the old man should buy the toys for his grandson and for many things else, but it will not be scanned by the supermarket of the toy shops, and also the many more things are there. So next I'm also going to explain you that the three beginning also I said that three will be generative, means one will be of the NPCI, and it will be the prepaid, means if the Dell company want to make a coupon, so it will also pay the some fees of that bank. And also what will happen that the one will also given to that company for which the coupon has been issued, just like the Taj Hotel. If the Dell company's worker want to live at the Taj Hotel, so only at the Taj Hotel his QR code will be generated, and if the people is not coming for the 2 or 3 years, so the whole money will be returned to that company. So आगे मैं आपको समझाता हूँ कि इसमें हम लोग को कोई इंटरनेट की जरूरत नहीं है, किसी भी रजिस्ट्रेशन की जरूरत नहीं है, कोई भी ऐप की जरूरत नहीं है, इसकी कोई लिमिट नहीं है कि कितने पैसे है, 1000, 2000, 1 करोड़, 2 करोड़, इसमें कोई ऐप नहीं चाहिए जैसे यूपीआई, भीम यूपीआई, फोन पे और क्रेडिट कार्ड के रिलेटेड, और इंटरनेट भी आपको नहीं चाहिए। बस जो इश्यू कर रहा है, जो स्कैन कर रहा है दुकान वाला या जो भी, उसको बस इंटरनेट की जरूरत है। और आगे मैं आपको समझाता हूँ ओलंपिक्स में किसको कितना मिला, कौन कितना जीता। So next I am going to tell you that India won the most of the medals this year, means the India won the 7 medals, means it is also a very big thing that after a very long time in the 2012 the India won the 6 medal, that was the highest, but it has been made by the India this time that they have won the 7 medals, including the Neeraj Chopra sports, which has won the gold medal, and also the world record has been made. And this time the government of India has said that who will bring the gold, so they will get the 75 lakhs, and it has already been issued at the previous Thursday that they will get the 75 lakhs, silver will get a 50 lakh, and the bronze will get the 25 lakh. But if the state want to give more money, so they can give, just like the Neeraj Chopra, he is of the Haryana, so Haryana government is giving 4 crores to him. So it is also a very big thing. And the people from the Punjab, means the 2 people of the hockey team from the Punjab, they will get the 2 crores, and means both of them, and the other people will also get the money that has been from the Haryana also, and the women's hockey team will get a 31 lakh each person. So this is also a very nice thing. I want to explain you only this thing. So this was all for today. Thank you, and have a nice day, and keep watching Motive Radio News channel. Thank you.